top universities. Coursera and edX offer excellent AI courses. These platforms provide a blend of video lectures, reading materials, and interactive assignments. Top experts from universities teach these courses. This ensures that the content is both current and of high quality, giving learners a solid foundation in AI. You can learn at your own pace. This flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of online learning, allowing you to fit education into your schedule. You can find free tutorials on YouTube. Channels dedicated to AI and machine learning offer step-by-step guides and practical examples. Websites like Kaggle offer real-world datasets. These platforms allow you to practice and hone your skills by working on actual data projects. Google AI Education has free tools too. These resources are designed to help both beginners and advanced learners understand complex AI concepts. Khan Academy offers introductory AI materials. Their easy-to-understand videos and exercises make learning AI accessible to everyone. Paid resources often offer even more depth. Investing in a comprehensive course or textbook can provide a more thorough understanding of AI. Platforms like Udacity have focused nano degrees. These specialized programs are designed to equip you with job-ready skills in AI. Books and company training programs are also valuable. They offer structured learning paths and often include hands-on projects to apply what you've learned. Learning AI brings many significant benefits. In today's fast-paced world, staying updated with the latest technology is crucial. AI is not just a trend, it's a transformative force reshaping industries and daily life. It can save you a lot of time at work. AI automates repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more important and strategic activities. Imagine having more time to innovate and think creatively. This frees you up for more creative work. Whether you're an artist, writer, or musician, AI can handle mundane tasks, giving you the freedom to explore your creativity and produce your best work. You become much more productive and efficient. With AI tools, you can streamline your workflow, manage your time better, and achieve more in less time. AI skills expand your job opportunities greatly. In a competitive job market, having AI expertise sets you apart from other candidates, making you a valuable asset to potential employers. Companies are actively looking for AI talent. Businesses across various sectors are investing in AI to stay competitive, and they need skilled professionals to lead these initiatives. Engineers with strong AI skills are still rare. This scarcity means that those who possess these skills are in high demand and can command higher salaries and better job positions. This high demand means you are valuable. Your expertise can lead to recognition and career advancement as companies seek to reward those who can drive their AI initiatives forward. AI can open doors to new industries. From healthcare to finance, AI is revolutionizing how businesses operate, offering you the chance to work in diverse fields and expand your career horizons. Learning AI helps you to truly innovate. By understanding AI, you can develop groundbreaking solutions and contribute to advancements that can change the world. You can create new solutions and improve existing products. AI provides the tools to enhance what already exists and to invent new technologies that can solve complex problems. AI prepares you for the future. As technology continues to evolve, having AI skills ensures you remain relevant and can adapt to future changes. Stay ahead of the technological curve. Embrace AI now to secure your place in the future and lead the way in innovation and progress. Learning AI requires dedicated effort. Set clear, achievable goals. Break down complex topics. Learn small, manageable parts at one time. Celebrate your small victories. Create a consistent study schedule. Even 30 minutes of focused study daily helps. Join an active AI learning community. Discuss new concepts and ideas with peers. Practice your AI skills regularly. Work on real-world projects. Apply what you have learned in theory. Do not be afraid of making mistakes.